Hey man, I lost my $100. The last time I had it, I was with you. Where's my $100?
I don't know your $100.
Bro, what do you mean? The last time I had it, I was with you. Where's my $100?
I don't know. Go look in your house.
Bro, I looked at my house from top to bottom. Where's my $100?
I don't know.
Well, give me some money.
Why would I give you money if I don't even have your money?
Bro, I'm about to jump over this table. Give me my $100.
I ain't got your money.
Man, hold on. Where you finna go? We not finished with this. Sit right back down. Okay, man, look. Where's my $100?
Check your pocket.
Bro, don't you think I have?
Just check.
Fine, bro. Fine. Oh, bro. Bro, my fault.